long I lay dormant was unknown to me. The last thing I remembered was the battle against the humans. It would seem that I was struck down. My clan had undoubtedly brought me back to a place of respite. However, I felt an indescribable change in my body, and it seemed to be deriving from my back. A pair of demonic wings had formed during my absence. Apparently, I had entered the state of change, and I already knew what this meant for me.
Master, you've emerged. Thank goodness. Just in time, too. Should I round the others up so that you may speak with them? Yes, of course, I shall.
Some areas had been flooded, apparently by rainfall. I would have to take heed when crossing, lest I burn alive. There in the central halls of my clan territory were my descendants, anxiously awaiting the first words of wisdom I would dispense upon them after all these years.
I stood with Kain and my brothers at the dawn of the Empire. We forged the legions that subjugated Nosgoth.
That's the trouble with portals. You never know if there's going to be a way out on the other side. I knew that was down there. I was really testing you.
blood of ages flows so sweet. Come, drink from it. Your strength has increased, for our blood enhances.